Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new. Today I'm going to be preparing for market days. So it is like a rehab vintage type of market and it's my first time doing it. So I'm going to get everything priced and I'm also going to do like a mock setup and layout in my house so that I can get it all set up how I want, take my time doing it, and then I can take pictures of my display so that when I actually go to the market and get set up, I won't be stressed and hopefully everything will go smoothly. So let's get started. If he is not the cutest thing ever, passed out. Oh, I love him. Alright, this is kind of what I've got going on right now. This is a smaller space than what my tent is going to be. So it'll be a little bit better, a little more open. But this will be the front of the tent. And I have everything priced. Everything has a price tag. I will have drop cloth as to cover the tables. And I will have my boxes underneath so that all the mirrors and stuff can be lined up against the tables. So right now, that's not, you can't really see them very well, but on the day of the event, you will. And a lot of these are flips, thrift flips that I either already have a video out for or will be coming out with a video. I've just been doing so much lately. These are super cool. These came off of a vanity that I flipped, and I already had that video posted. So yeah, just got these. I'm being very careful with this piece because I'm finishing it up now, so it's not clear coated. But yeah, so I have a few more things and I have my boxes. Not everything is out, but I have, you know, some extras. And my husband made cutting boards and charcuterie boards, which I don't know how I'm gonna display yet, but this is it. I wish I could bring him with me, but I can't. So I'm gonna take pictures and now wrap everything up. Okay, it is the night before the event and I have everything behind me and I'm going to get the truck loaded up. Hopefully I can fit everything into the truck and we don't have to take 2 cars. So we're about to find out. I did go to Lowe's today and get cinder blocks to use as weights for my tent. In the past, I have just used water bottles and put into the weight containers that I bought on Amazon. Long story short, didn't realize that the weights that I bought on Amazon were just the packages or containers, not the actual weights. So I still don't have real weights. And they're like $45. So I just went to Lowe's and I grabbed the $2.08 cement blocks. So I'm gonna use those and see how the tent holds up with the wind. I will let y'all know. So let's go get this truck loaded up. Back of the truck is loaded. I have the cinder blocks up front and then the tent and the tables, and I wanted them front, like at the front here, so that we could pull those out because that has to be set up first. And then I just filled in what I could. I got this side jam-packed and this side packed to the brim. Got it all fit though. Yay! end of the day, I wish that I had recorded or been able to record really much of anything today. It was actually a lot more crowded than I thought. It came in waves, but like every time I went to go try and record, new people would come into the booth. So I just didn't really feel comfortable recording, and I didn't even really get a chance to walk around at all. I did really well today, and I'm so glad that I got into this market. And this is the last one of the season, like I said. So the next one won't be until, I think they start back up in October, because it gets so hot here in Florida, and then the weather, it's crazy in the summertime. So I will definitely be doing this come the fall time. And the stuff that you see behind me, obviously I didn't get to sell. Some of the stuff I'm going to keep for myself, so I'm kind of glad that they didn't sell. And the other pieces I will be putting up onto my Etsy page. Probably both of my Etsy pages, Wood Wine & Crafts, and my other one, A. McLean. The A. McLean one is more of like the thrifted finds, and then the Wood Wine & Crafts are obviously any of my crafts that I make, and then any of my flips that I do. So I'll be putting up those items over the next probably couple weeks, just because it does take a lot to post things on Etsy. So I'm gonna take some time to do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this style video, kind of vlog-like more. If you did like this video and you like this content, if you like thrift flips, DIY projects, any type of crafting, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. And I forgot. So the cement blocks that I got from Lowe's, the $2 cement blocks, worked amazing. So it was supposed to rain today, like around noon. Thankfully, it never did. It poured down like early morning, like 5, 6 o'clock. And I even saw lightning on my way down to the event, but all the rain, everything was gone by the time we got there. Like I said, it didn't rain at all. I was very, very happy, but the wind, especially later on in the day, was intense. Like if I didn't have those cement blocks, I'm pretty sure my tent would have definitely moved a couple inches. So I highly recommend the cement blocks from Lowe's or Home Depot, wherever. It's the next day. I ended up being really tired last night after I showered and sat down, so I did not film or put together this one thing that I got yesterday. So across from my tent was this super cute little vendor truck, and she was selling dried florals. So I grabbed this beautiful dried lavender bouquet, and I plan on putting it in the laundry room. So I've decided to decorate the laundry room. We redid it probably like a year ago, and I made a sign and I threw up a like one of those vintage washboards, and that was it. So we have cabinets above the washer and dryer, and I was like, oh, that would be a great place to decorate. So when I was at the thrift store like a week ago, I came across this really pretty glass pitcher. I think it was like 50 cents. So I grabbed it because I thought this would be really pretty to put florals in. And then when I saw the truck yesterday, I was like, this is perfect. Well, I just put this in the laundry room, and it's too tall. Like this will fit as it is, but then I can't put anything in it. So I'm gonna have to, I think, put it somewhere else, but I want to put it all together and I will show you where I end up putting it.